and welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to search for ebooks in eBook Central. Let's get started. First, go to the Databases box, found here on the library's website. Tab over to the letter E and select the eBook Central link. Remember, you will need to log in with your Eastern username and password. Within eBook Central, you can search for ebooks using the basic search bar, the advanced search, or browsing subjects. Let's do a test search for cancer treatment. The results show me where my keywords appear in each book, including title and summary. Results can also be filtered by date, subject, and language for further focusing. You can read the ebook directly online with the Read Online button. You can also download the entire book or a specific chapter with the download buttons. Citation assistance can be found here, and you can also add a book to a bookshelf to store them within the e-library. When reading online, you can jump to any page or chapter using the links or page bar. You can also make highlights, create notes, and bookmark any page you want to go back to, automatically adding the book to the bookshelf when you do so. Finally, you can search within the book for a specific term, thus narrowing down your search. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.